Do you ever play arpeggios in your left hand and feel like they sound the same every time? What if your arpeggios could sound alive, full of fire, passion and movement like this? Today I'll show you 5 left-hand arpeggio variations that instantly add emotion and power to your improvisation. They are musical and you can start using them right away. Variation 5 is a special one, but very powerful. So, before we jump into the variations, let's set up a very simple musical foundation. We are in 4/4 time and each chord lasts 2 bars. The progression is intentionally simple because today the focus is on the left hand. Have a listen. A minor, 2 bars. D minor, 2 bars. F major, 2 bars. And G major, 2 bars. For the melody, I'm playing something very basic. Just a few notes, like this. And then shift it. Or a variation, this one. Very simple. So the left hand can take over the emotional storytelling. So let's go to variation 1. In bar 1 we use a closed position arpeggio. Tight, stable and clear, as we did. But very important, in bar 2 we add 2 complementary tones on the 2nd and 3rd 8th note. Have a listen. Of course, you can add a further note after you played the arpeggio, like this, or this, or this, or this. So let's put both hands together. This gives the left hand a gentle sense of motion, not too dramatic but already more expressive. By the way, if you want more ideas like this and ways to express different emotions in your improvisation, I've created a free guide for you. You will find the link in the description. It's meant to inspire you and help you explore your own voice. So let's go to variation 2. Variation 2 builds on the same idea, but with a different sound. In bar 1 we switch to a wide open position arpeggio, like this. A minor, we play A, E and C and back to E. Or D minor, D, A, F. But important, in bar 2 again we add tones on the 2nd and 3rd 8th note. Let's play both hands together with a melody. This creates a bigger, more cinematic feel, perfect for emotional improvisation. Let's go to variation 3. Here is where things start to get fiery. In bar 1 we use a closed position, but very important, the arpeggio doesn't start on beat 1, it starts on the 2nd 8th note. Have a listen. And then in bar 2 we add our 2 complementary tones on the 2nd and 3rd 8th note. So let's combine both hands. This variation can feel unusual at first, so practice it slowly. Take your time and let the rhythm settle into your hands. So variation 4, combine the rhythmic offset with a wide open position arpeggio. In bar 1, play the arpeggio in open position, but again start on the second 8th note, not on the beat. I will add the melody hand and we put both hands together. Just like before, this adds a very expressive, almost breathless intensity, perfect for creating passion and momentum. Again, the rhythmic displacement can feel tricky at first. Don't rush it. Slow practice will make it feel natural and musical. And now, variation 5. This one weaves the arpeggio between the 8 notes of the melody. Instead of playing on every 8th note, the left hand plays 16th note that fill the spaces between the melody tones. Have a listen. D minor, F major, G major, once again, of course you can play it in the open position too. This creates a flowing, shimmering texture, but please practice this very slowly at first. Accuracy and relaxation are much more important than speed. Let me put everything together and show you how these variations can create a sense of fire, passion and movement. I will add some variation, maybe chord inversions like this, or chord tangents like this. Or maybe we will skip some notes from A minor to this, or we'll add some tiny melodies. Have a listen. You can mix these ideas freely. Solo arpeggios, wide shapes, offset rhythmic and 16th note fills. Experiment, play, explore and let the left hand become the engine of emotion. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more ideas for improvisation, make sure to subscribe. And don't forget the free guide in the description. It's full of inspiration and tips to help you express yourself at the piano. Thanks for watching and keep the fire in your playing alive.